Olympia Water Systems OROS-50 5-stage Reverse Water Filtration System. Our research suggests the best reverse osmosis system for well water is definitely the Olympia Water Systems OROS-50 5-stage Reverse Water Filtration System. The entire system is made from the material that is free of any lead or BPA, ensuring a safer overall filtration of water that will not cause extra chemicals to leak into the water that flows through the chambers. This RO filtration system can filter through up to 50 gallons of water on a daily basis. It comes with a built-in mounting brackets that make it incredibly easy to mount the entire system underneath the sink cabinet. This system comes with everything that's needed for a professional installation, reducing the overall cost of implementing the filter to provide clean water throughout your house, ensuring that your family has access to water that's free from contaminants.